It's a random afternoon during a weekday, and I'm chilling at the park, daydreaming about FC Barcelona. Unemployment will do that to you. I'm just thinking about how far I've come with this club, man. Started supporting this club because of a certain Brazilian man with a ponytail. I used to binge those Ronaldinho videos like I was studying film. That's what makes this club really special to me, man. I discovered it myself. No one put me on. I was not influenced by any family members. I just saw random Ronaldinho videos and I said I want to support that team forever. Until this day, we have a new superstar now. We have Lamine Yamal. Ronaldinho used to be that guy, man. He used to be that guy. And then, the GOAT Lionel Messi came along and took the club to a whole new level. We really went from Ronaldinho to Lionel Messi to now Lamine Yamal. We could have put Neymar on that list too, but man, as much as I love him and hold him dear to my heart, he almost ruined the club, man. I'm glad we let him go, but damn. Yeah, that's what you had with Emerson. You had one of the best number 9s ever. You had the greatest player of all time. And you had one of the best Brazilian wingers ever. Shit was crazy. Damn it, bro. And then Neymar almost ruined everything. And the club spent crazy amounts of money trying to replace him. Has to do with Dembele, and Dembele, he was good, but The injuries just ruined everything. And we tried to do something with Coutinho, and he was just never the same Coutinho at Barcelona, man. I mean, he would give you occasional bangers, but he could never replace Neymar. And we also signed Griezmann, who also just couldn't fit in. Club almost went bankrupt trying to replace one player. And then we just spawned random beasts from La Masia, bro. We got Gavi, we got Pedri, and Lamine Yamal. We also had Ansu Fati, who I think also is ruined by injuries, man. It's the best club in the world, baby. You know? First game, first win, 3 goals, 3 points. What can we say? Second game, we just have to, keep going, man. We have Rashford now, who I'm really unsure of. But, I have to admit, I was unsure of Rafinha also at first, These new Brazilian players have really scammed us over the years, man. I remember Arthur, Malcolm, who else? There's another Brazilian player. I thought all these guys were going to be superstars, but they ended up flopping, bro. Back in the day when you got a Brazilian winger, you knew you had a superstar, but these days, too many scammers, bro. Too many scammers. But yeah, man, it's a new season, new generation of players, still the same old Barcelona mentality, and we're coming for everything, baby. We're coming for everything.